Today I'm on a waterfall mission. It's been on my list for a long time. Let's do it. Check out this corner here. It's going to be interesting. How crazy is this road? There's like a massive bend where it goes around onto itself. Madness! Not a bad spot, eh? And that little island over there, that's called Leheilleix. We're going to do a beach clean up there soon. Another thing about this little road is it has all these little places on the side of the road where there are these little shrines, these little temples. And that's because in Mauritius, people are quite religious. Anyway, onwards and upwards to the waterfalls. So I've come to this first waterfall, which is in the Black River Gorges region, but unfortunately the wind is swirling around, so I'm not going to be able to get the drone up. But nevertheless, a very nice place with a very, very nice lookout viewpoint. Merci. Oui. Ça va? Oui. C'est comme une grenouille. So I'm at Alexandra Falls, which is another waterfall in the Black River Gorges National Park. And there's an amazing viewpoint where you climb up these little steps and you can look over right through to Bay du Cap. Ça va correct?
Ça va, oui.
Vous avez des jus ananas
naturel, il n'y a pas l'eau, il n'y a pas sucre, naturel ici.
Tu peux faire pommes et ananas, c'est
voilà.
possible?
Comment vous voulez, oui.
Merci. Got myself a juice from one of the local vendors, because when you come here and you see these little camions, these little vans, you kind of have to support the people. But yeah, they saw me coming a mile off and I got, I think I paid tourist price, 150 rupees. So this over here is probably the most famous of all the waterfalls in Mauritius. It's called Cascade Chamarel, or the Chamarel waterfall. It's 83 meters in height and is fed by the river Saint-Denis. And as you can see, there's all this beautiful vegetation around. But what a sight! How beautiful is that waterfall? A must. You've got to come and visit that. Well, that brings today's vlog to an end. I hope you enjoyed exploring the waterfalls with me. Black River Gorges is a must when you come to Mauritius. Anyway, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you very soon.